As always, this detailed review is brought to you by BrainyBuyer.com. Shop smarter, be a brainy buyer.
Okay, so we're looking at two Weber grills, right? The Q2800N Plus and the Spirit E-310. Both propane, both from Weber, but pretty different, right?
Yeah, definitely. The Q2800N Plus seems smaller, more portable. It's only 51.2 pounds compared to the Spirit E-310, which is a hefty 98.1 pounds. So if you're moving it around a lot, the Q is the clear winner.
True, and the dimensions reflect that. The Q is 19.7 DX30, WX 16.7 inches H, while the Spirit is a much larger 26.6 DX 48.3 inches WX 46.2 inches H. But that size difference probably translates to cooking space.
Exactly. The Spirit E-310 boasts 3 burners and a cooking surface of 360 square inches. The Q doesn't specify the cooking area directly, but it only has one main burner and a plus burner, so it's definitely smaller. It mentions fitting up to 12 burgers, though.
Okay, so the Spirit is better for bigger cookouts. What about features? The Q has a super wide temperature range, 250 degrees to 700 degrees Fahrenheit, which is impressive. Plus, it can use Weber Connect smart probes, although those are sold separately.
The Spirit E-310 has a 10-year warranty, which is a big plus. It also has the Weber Works system for adding accessories to the side rails, and stainless steel flavorizer bars, which sound fancy. I wonder if those really make a difference.
Probably helps with flavor and preventing flare-ups, according to the description. The Q uses porcelain-enameled cast iron grates, which are good for heat retention. The Spirit also uses porcelain-enameled cast iron grates.
Price-wise, the Q is $399, and the Spirit is $449.99. So not a huge difference, but something to consider.
Right, so if you need portability in a high heat range, the Q might be better. But if you want more cooking space, a longer warranty, and the Weber Works system, the Spirit is the way to go. It really depends on what you're looking for in a grill, and how often you grill.
And how many people you usually cook for. A single burner grill is not going to cut it for a large family gathering. The Spirit is a workhorse grill.
Don't miss out on our next in-depth review to help you make smarter purchasing decisions. Hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you're always in the know.